In this video, we're going to install 2 rows of 100 feet in length drip tape from polyurethane header. The materials we're going to use are drip tape right here, and I actually put this in upside down. So I'm going to flip this around, but we have drip tape, a mallet, and some staples at the very end for us to tie it down. I would suggest clipping it down at one end initially and making sure that it's fairly secure. We're gonna put one end here. We're gonna move it up into the clamp section to secure it. We're gonna tighten this down. And again, this white tape is up. And we're gonna give it a pull and see that it came right off. So we're actually gonna redo it. Because it should not come off when you pull. And that's also gonna be really helpful when we're running it, so that it doesn't come off and we don't need a second hand. And it just keeps coming off. Sometimes it just takes patience too. I'm gonna leave this in actually because I think it's good to see that it's easy to mess up. But yeah, so let's try one more time. Let's get this tightened. Perfect. So we're gonna run this now. Rightio, so at this end, we're gonna look between, there's little holes in the drip tape and that's where the water drips out from. We're gonna crease it right in the middle and then we're gonna cut it. This is what we're gonna put to this end now. All right, now at this end, we're gonna do something similar. We're gonna straighten out the 2 lines. They should have about 10 inches between them. We're gonna try hard not to snap them. We're actually gonna move the flags down there, but we're gonna find our middle. And same thing, you don't wanna cut on the hole. So we're gonna find right in the middle here. Cut it, and now it's clean cut. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna find some end length. We're gonna cut it again, and now we have this, right? So we're gonna open this up some. And now we have a nice little sleeve. And this sleeve is going to be used to seal off the end of the drip tape. So the end of the drip tape we're going to fold over. We're going to fold it over once like this. We're going to fold it over once like this. And you're going to get a little bit more than you think here. And then we're going to fold it over again. Right here. Then we're going to put it back in here. And we can slide the staple through this little opening. One side's better than the other because one side has the fold or the crease against it. So we're just gonna wiggle this through. And now we can put this on the ground and you're all tied off. Different angle, the same process. If you can see in the video, there's these little slits here and here. We're gonna fold it over. Here I'm speeding up the clip again. This is just me doing the same thing as the last clip you saw. We're gonna fold it hot dog, hamburger, hot dog, just to make sure that the water doesn't shoot right out. And we're gonna run it back through the sleeve and we'll be done. There it is. And don't worry about the length. I left extra. You should be leaving extra just in case you have to do multiple of these cuts. But yeah, same logic here. We're gonna run this stake through, or this staple. Now we have it, and we're gonna put it in the ground. The last thing you wanna do is test it, and you're good to go.